Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we have corn tortillas, some shredded chicken. This is leftover. These are pinto beans. We have a Mexican 4-cheese blend, and we have a Mexican spicy blend, and we have green enchilada sauce. Hola, Mike Foster here. Fast, simple, and easy today. This is a simple chicken and bean enchilada verde. We all know verde means what? It means green. It's very easy to put together, and it's going to be killer diller delicious. Check this baby out. All right, to start it off, you take some of this enchilada sauce and you pour it into a mixing bowl. Okay? Then you take your tortilla and you drop that baby in there. You soak both sides of it. Now, you're gonna get a little dirty here. All right, then you take some chicken, little chicken. Take some beans. Get a little more chicken, a little more beans. Then you take some cheese. Check it out. Do you see that? Then you roll it like this. And when that's rolled, you put it right here, casserole dish. Now that one's seen better days. Let's make another one, make this one better. Dip this baby in there. All right. Get it nice and moist and pliant. Let's do it again. Chicken. Beans. Queso. You see it? Roll it and put that baby right here. Oh yeah, that one looks better. So we're gonna fill this whole dish up. We got the oven set for 350. When those are ready, I'll show you what I do next. Alrighty, now you finish it off with the rest of the verde enchilada sauce. Just pour that baby all over the top. Any leftover beans or anything, just throw them on top. And then just cover this with cheese. Queso. And queso means cheese. And then we pop it in the oven at 350. We'll check it in 20 minutes, but monitor the cheese as it's melting. All right, pop that baby right in there. See you in about 20. All right, there it is. After about 25 minutes, I ended it with the broiler on top to brown that cheese a little. Let me serve one of these babies up. Take a big bite. All right, there's a scoop of it. Looks like a hot mess. Let's see what it tastes like. There it is. Only thing to it is to take a bite. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh. You know it's cheesy, but the verde sauce, killer. Here's a little of that chicken. The beans. Oh, creamy. That chicken's good. Oh. Oh, easy to make, simple. Try this one. Try all my recipes at Live Life 365 on all my socials. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Oh, look at that. Sweet baboo. Baby, come on in. Ah. That's top notch. That's just what the doctor ordered. That came right on time, Baba.